This car is stopped at the origin. As you can see, its position and distance from the origin does not change. Now you can see that the car's position is changing constantly, and this means there is a motion. The car's position is shown by a vector. We call this vector as position vector. As long as the car's position is changing, there is a motion, and car's position vector changes too. Following the motion from point 2, as you can see, the alignment of the position vector does not change. We call this type of motion as one-dimensional motion. Following the motion from point 3, the path is reversed, but the position vector alignment is kept unchanged. This means the body moves along a straight line. This motion is one-dimensional too.